Hello, I am Prajwal S from ATM College of Engineering from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The presentation is about the internship done in the Emertxe Information Technology Center of Embedded System for 1 month. The contents that I am going to present for these presentations are the introduction to embedded system, microcontroller and microprocessor, case study of car black box system, necessary of car black box system, materials used and project implementation. First, I will talk about the organization that gave the opportunity for the internship. The Emertxe Information Technology Center is a specialized institute in the embedded system, Linux, and IoT training centers. The internship was held in online mode, which was helpful for us. Next, we will know about embedded system. Introduction to embedded system. An embedded system is a microprocessor based computer hardware system with software that is designed to perform a dedicated function either as an independent system or as a part of a large system. These are the real-time applications of embedded system. Some applications includes DVD player, industrial robots, GPS receiver, digital camera, microwave oven, and car black box system. First, we will talk about the microcontroller. A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern the specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input-output ports on a single chip. The above figure shows a simple microcontroller. As for the microprocessor part, a microprocessor is basically the brain of the computer. It is also referred to CPU. In a microprocessor, it will contain all the components like timer, ports, CPU, and RAM, ROM, etc. Moving on to the case study, we have been given for car black box system in the internship. What is car black box? A car black box is either a physically installed in a car or downloaded as a smartphone app. It links to GPS devices that measures and records vehicle speed, location, distance traveled, driving frequency, and time of the date when the car is in motion. As for the necessaries of a car black box systems, a car black box system or a event data recorder EDR is a device found in the most modern vehicles that is used to record the information about the car's driving records. Especially it is relates to accidents. A car black box system mostly focus on the enhancing the safety standards of a driven vehicle by monitoring the vehicle performance and driving behavior. Whenever the records recorded by the box can be viewed by the law enforcement agencies in case of any legal issues while claiming the insurance. Moving on to the materials used in this project. For the hardware part of the system, we will use a LCD display, 6 switch, potentiometer, memory, microcontroller, RTC, real-time clock. As for the software part of the system, we are going to use MPLAB XIDE version 6.0 and MPLAB XE8 C compiler. For the simulation of the system, we are going to use Piximulab. In the Piximulab, we have to download the necessary folders of PIC 16F877A microcontroller and LCD 16:2 display. With the help of embedded C program, we will communicate with the system. Now for the conditions or the requirements of a car black box system. Firstly, for the default screen, when the system is in operation mode, it would act like a dashboard which would show the current time, speed of the vehicle and latest occurrence of event. For the second feature, that is the login screen, on the press of up or down key, the system should prompt the password. The password would be containing of 4 presses. Each press should be denoted as # symbol. Every wrong entry would reprompt the password. The maximum attempt for the password entries is 3 times. Incomplete key press should return back to the default screen. For the last feature, that is the main menu should contain 2 options. First option should be view log and second clear log. The up-down key should be used to navigate the menu. Long press of up key should enter the selected menu. Long press of down key should log out of the system. Idle screen more than 5 seconds should log out on itself. Firstly, we will discuss about the simulation output that we received. For the default screen, the system will show the previous entries of the system. For the login screen, the system will ask the user to enter the password. If the entered password is incorrect, the system will allow only to attempt 3 times. If attempted more than 3 times, the system will lock the user for 15 minutes. In this case, we are using 1 minute timeout for the system. Moving on for the last feature of the system, that is the main menu. In the main menu, it should show the vlog and clear log menu. In the vlog menu, it will access the previous records of the black box, and for the clear log, it will clear the previous entries of the system. Now let us see the working of the project. Using MPLAB X IDE editor, we will create the program for the project. In this file, the car black box system, it will contain all the necessary files. This is the program for the project. All the initializations of the projects are mentioned here. Here is the main method of the project. Now let's load the simulation of the project by Pixsimulab. First we will load the file of the project. As default, it will show the previous entry of the system, that is the speed, time and the status of the engine. By pressing the key, we can see the entries of the system. With the help of potentiometer, we can vary the speed of the system. We can also change the engine status to other states like neutral gear and other reverse gear, first gear and second gear, etc. With the help of potentiometer, we are varying the speed of the car. When we go to the viv log in the project will ask to enter the password. If we didn't enter any password, the system will go back to the default screen, that is the dashboard. And if we enter a half password in the system, it will again go back to the default screen of the system after 3 seconds. For the last case, if we enter the wrong password in the system will allow us to enter only 3 times, and if we exhaust all the 3-time attempts, it will block the user for 1 minute. When we enter the correct password in the project, it will show the main menu. In the main menu, it contains view log and clear log menu. We can navigate to the main menu by pressing up key and down key. By long pressing the up key, we can select the main menu, that is view log. In the view log, it will show the time, speed, and engine status. Now when we go back to the default screen, it will be showing the current events. And for the second option in the main menu, to go to the main menu again, we need to log in the system again by entering the password. If we want to clear the log manually, we need to log in again in the system and select clear log. When we select clear log, it will clear the previous entries. If we try to see the logs, the system will show as no logs available in the system, as we have cleared the logs in the system. Thank you.